From WXII 12 News, this is breaking news.
People who are fully vaccinated can do many of the things that we did before the pandemic.
Breaking news, mandatory capacity limits and gathering limits have been lifted here in North Carolina.
Governor Roy Cooper made that enormous announcement just a few hours ago. Social distancing requirements and most mask requirements are being lifted as well.
So we have live team coverage tonight from businesses now making changes to what this means for you as we prepare to return to what life was like before the pandemic. Let's start with our Leanne Denyer, who breaks down the places you'll still have to wear a mask. Leanne?
Yeah, Christine, there are still a few instances where you will still need to wear that mask, but generally speaking, indoors and outdoors, the state says you can forgo the mask. But let's go back to where you still do need a mask. We're especially thinking situations that involve kiddos, so schools, one of the places where you will still need to wear a mask. And Dr. Mandy Cohen explained her rationale behind that, stressing that children are largely unvaccinated and in many cases are not yet eligible to be vaccinated. So at school, childcare facilities, and at camp, masks are still going to be needed. Other places do include public transportation, healthcare settings. We're talking doctor's offices, hospitals, long-term care facilities, as well as prisons and homeless shelters. For all other situations, the governor says masks, capacity caps, and social distancing no longer required. Governor Cooper said that decision to lift the mandates comes following CDC guidance yesterday and the people of North Carolina's compassion for each other by getting vaccinated. Still, the governor urging personal responsibility and for people who are unvaccinated to get their shot.
Even though we have had mandates in place in a number of areas, a lot of what we have done has relied on the personal responsibility of people and of businesses. Today, this order just increases that personal responsibility.
And Cooper and other state leaders did stress the pandemic, it's not over just yet, but they are encouraged by the numbers that they are seeing, by the trends that they are seeing. And again, you just heard it, urging people who have not been vaccinated to get that shot. Another thing that's important to note is that businesses will still have some discretion about whether they want to specifically enforce their own mask mandate. So if you are out and about, you want to be sure to be aware of what the business's rules are going to be. But largely, if you're out and about outdoors, the state says you can forgo your mask. In Winston-Salem, Leanne Denyer, WXII 12 News.
And thank you. More than a year after some businesses had to close because of the pandemic, owners are able to reopen at full capacity. Our Justin Schreier is live tonight at Wise Man Brewing in Winston-Salem. And Justin, they're already preparing for these changes. How's it going?
Hey, Christine, that's right. They have already prepared for those changes here at Wise Man Brewing. You can see once this car decides to move over to the right-hand side, you can see there are a lot of people already here this evening. Things are starting to get back to normal for the most part. The taproom manager here tells me that it is an exciting time and people who are vaccinated are free to move about the taproom without masks, while those who are unvaccinated are asked to wear masks inside to order and while they are moving around the taproom. Dan Rossau with Wise Man says over the coming weeks, they will be gradually working on adding more seating inside and even bar service. He says even though the majority of his staff is vaccinated, they will be required to wear masks and is putting his trust in his customers.
We really encourage everyone to come out and enjoy a cold beer with us. And if you're vaccinated, great. If you're not, please wear a mask. And we really appreciate it, and I know our patrons do.
And coming up at 6 tonight, we're going to move down the road a little bit, and you'll hear from a local restaurant and their reaction as well. Live in Winston-Salem tonight, Justin Schreier, WXII 12 News.
All right, Justin, thank you. The city of Greensboro is following the state's lead and rescinding its mask ordinance. It was put in place last September and required masks be worn within the city limits if you were in contact with other people and you could not socially distance. The city will require everyone to wear masks in all city-owned facilities. By the way, Virginia is lifting its mask mandate starting at midnight.
Charlotte Motor Speedway says thousands and thousands of race fans will be able to sit in the grandstands now that capacity limits have been lifted. Extra tickets will now be available for this weekend's NGK and TK NHRA 4-wide nationals, as well as the Memorial Day weekend Coca-Cola 600 in the NASCAR Cup Series. Fans also will not be required to wear masks outside under these new orders. The Speedway says fans who have not been vaccinated are still encouraged to wear a mask. The single-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine will be available on site through Atrium Health at no cost for anyone 18 and up.
More tickets are available for tonight's Classic Country concert at the Winston-Salem Fairgrounds. The event featuring John Michael Montgomery had sold out earlier today, but organizers say they're able to open up new upper level seats because social distancing is no longer required. So lower level seats are set up to give ticket holders the social distancing they were promised. You can buy a ticket online or at the ticket office.